What's up, guys? Today we're back in another video, and today we're doing Yu-Gi-Oh! We're just opening up these booster packs. I got 2 from Dollarama. Let's get started. Let's rip that bad boy open. Okay, first pack. Let's do the thing. Okay, I'm going to be showing them to the screen. I'm not going to be reading them. I think this way I am going to read it. Giant Ball Park. Okay. Then we have down. Okay, yeah, this is way too hard, but who cares? Pretty cool. Then we have this. Gee, I don't really care. I'm just going to show it to you guys. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. These are Dollarama packs. They come in 40 cards, and that's cool. What the? Dragon Ball Z right here. Dragon Ball Z. I'm just joking. We have Sam, whatever. Sheep goats right here. Sheep goats. Then we have whatever this card is. I'm gonna probably be using this for my new deck. Then we have a Link Monster, pretty good. Good pack. Then we have Ghosts. And then let's see. Come on, let's get a good card. Oh wait, this is actually kind of funny because before I posted this video, I got one random booster pack. Let me show it to you guys. Wait, give me a second. Give me a second, guys. So it's kind of funny because I did get this trap card, and it does have a thing on it, a Curse of Dragon, and I did get a Curse of Dragon from last pack. You guys can see right there. Let me see if my deck is, and I just love the smell of new cards. Like, it smells beautiful. Okay, have Fat Man. Then we have Curry Bone. Then we have DD Pandora, Soul Levi, Aroma Gardening, and Kursta Crowler. And I don't really care if I mispronounce this. And it says Mordischelg. I don't really like reading their names. Like, they just have the weirdest names ever. Like, why would people name... Okay, open this not other pack. It's the same pack, but it just came in 2 cards. So they're each 20 cards. Let's open this bad boy. Come on. Give us something good, like Curse of Dragon or something. Please. Maybe a Gaio, that'd be good. Okay, we have this card. A Mind Reader. I don't want to make this video too long because I have stuff to do. Here we have this. I have D/D plane. I have this. Oh! Wait, we got another giant ballpark. Oh, wow. We got a Drowner Come T Wexel. We got this. This is going in a special deck. Then we got the same card. Then we have whatever this card is. Then we have Smosh Bird of Being. Wait, Sam or whatever. Who cares? And then we have this card. Man, I need to zoom through. Then we have this card. Oh, another fusion card. Oh, that's perfect. Then we have this card. Dragon Ball Z. Then we have this card. Joella. Then we have this card. This card. Oh, this good card. This good card has 3,000 attack. Then we have this card. Okay, let's move this to a side. We got 2 polymerization cards. Okay, last and final pack. I don't want to cut my cards there. Okay, let's go with this pack. If I can get it out. And these are just Dollarama packs, so pretty good. Oh, rainbow rare. A giraffe. Yeah, we got a giraffe. Okay, that's pretty good. And then we got this card that it has so much stars but only does 100. Okay, that card sucks. Its ability is probably good, but I'm just looking at the damage right now. This. Oh wait, this card's actually pretty funny because I was opening this other booster and I got this card from it. This card. I kind of got that card. That's from a fairy deck. Wait, if you guys can't see it. That card's supposed to be in a fairy deck. I don't know why they put it in a Dollarama deck. I guess it's just a mixture of everything, basically. Zombie. I'm gonna start putting it close to the camera. Oh yeah, this card I also got in a fairy pack. This card, I don't care about the red Potanada. Okay, so much stars, but 0 attack. Wow. Okay, then we have I actually have this card, but not this version. Then we have this. Okay. Last and final pack. Please make this good. I mean, I already made my day by Curse of Dragon. That already made my day. So, I don't really know if I can ask for too much, really. Okay, we have halfway to the forever. Or halfway to the forever. And then we have whatever that says. One of the good cards, I'm going to pronounce their names. Okay, we have another Dragon Ball Z. Okay, why do I keep getting this card? I got it 3 times already in the other pack. Then we have this, whatever this is. Okay, then we have this card. These Dollarama packs aren't looking too shabby right now. I mean, they're pretty good. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. Okay, we had a Lamborghini. I already have this card. All these cards are brand new except for that card. Okay, then we have a staircase. You guys can see that. Okay, then we have whatever this is. Oh! Oh! We got a rainbow rare. 3 level 1 monsters. Are you look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, that made my day. Oh! Another one. Oh! And then we got this. And then we got this. Then we got a Hackwormy. Then we got whatever this is. Okay, and that was it for our collection today or something, whatever you call it. Let me just put all the good cards here. Like all the pretty good cards we got. Out of all the packs, even the pack I didn't unopen. Like all the rare cards. Put like there. Like right there. So basically we hit the lot spot. We hit like the best Yu-Gi-Oh trading ground spot. So I wouldn't say you should go to Dollarama to buy these packs. I mean, you should. But at the same time, you never know what you're going to get because it's just a mixture of all the packs like there is. So these are the good cards I got. Okay, so first let's step by step. So we have a Curse of Dragon, the Cursed Dragon. And then we have this. 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 To be honest, I'm really hyped about this card. Like, this card's sick. Okay, then we have a giraffe. Have this card. And then we have number 3 again. Yeah, this is number 3. Yeah, this is number 3. Then we have this card. So, yep, that was it for today's video. If you guys liked it, hit that like button, probably that subscribe button. And yeah, like and subscribe. And bye, guys. See you in the next video.